triangle. Minnesota Fishing 611. Subscribe.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna release it.
Boy caught a monster. Yeah. It's got a 32-inch pike. 7.7.
I got. It's ready to go, Brent.
Yeah, you gotta hold him straight up.
This sucker's heavy, Brent.
Yeah, he's a monster. You did great. There you go, moving back and forth.
Daddy, are you gonna help me? Buddy.
Oh, flip him back. Flip him back up. Back up, back up.
This thing could
We're getting
get
this on video.
This thing could get a little crazy, right? Daddy, can you help me? Oh no. Come on, little buddy. It's ready to go. Look at him go. Uh-oh.
Oh, he knows tricks. Oh, hell yeah. Subscribe. Minnesota Fishing.
Chicka, chicka, yeah.